In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give access for Manage Hostinger account step by step. If you're collaborating with a developer, a marketer, or a teammate, Hostinger makes it easy to share just the right level of access without handing over your full account. Let's walk through it together so you can delegate safely and confidently. First, open your browser and go to the Hostinger website. This brings you to the main homepage where you can access everything related to your hosting and services. Look for the My Account option at the top. Click it, and if you're prompted to sign in, just log in as you normally would so you land inside hPanel, Hostinger's dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to the section called Account Sharing. This is the control center for who can access your account and what they can do. Click into it to see your current sharing status and any previous invitations you might have sent. Next, click the button labeled Give Access. This opens a simple form that creates a secure invitation. In the email field, enter the email address of the person you want to invite. Take a moment to double check the spelling. Access can only be sent to the exact address you enter, and the recipient will use that email to accept the invitation. Now choose the permission role. Think about what this person actually needs to do. If they're maintaining your website, they might need broader technical access. If they're only handling content or a specific task, a more limited role helps protect your account. The goal is to give enough access to get the job done, but not more than necessary. After selecting the role, choose the managed services you want to share. This is where you specify the exact sites, hosting plans, or resources they can work on. It's perfectly fine to share only one or two items and keep the rest private. You can always adjust access later if your needs change. When everything looks right, click Grant Access. Hostinger will send an invitation to the email you entered. The recipient accepts on their end, and once they do, they can start managing only what you've allowed. If you ever need to tighten or expand permissions, you'll return to the same account sharing area to review or update settings. And that's it. You've given access in a structured, secure way without exposing your entire account. Thanks for watching and happy managing.